Here we go. So the ingredients for the double chocolate brownie in the mug are a 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa, 1/4 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate chip. See, this is the double chocolate right here. The chocolate cocoa powder and the chocolate chips, and a pinch of salt. You ready? Okay, I hope you have your mug. You want a big, deep mug. Look how deep it is. Look how deep it is. Those are the best ones. Okay? Because sometimes when it's cooking, it bubbles over a little bit. So you don't want a small mug. Okay? First, we're gonna put in the dry ingredients. So that means the flour goes in first. Okay, and I'm gonna put the flour in with my spoon. All right, all in. Next, sugar. All right, and the cocoa powder. Here we go. All right, so this, we're gonna mix it up. So use your spoon and mix it. And let me put in the pinch of salt. A pinch really means just a pinch. So you grab a pinch of salt like that and you throw it in. That's a pinch of salt. And we're gonna mix it all up. Whoops, a little bit came out. That's the thing about cooking, you get dirty. Whoops, look at that, came out again. So here's what it's gonna look like. You see how it's all mixed together? Okay, so now you're ready to put in the wet ingredients. So milk, in goes the milk. In goes the oil. And we're gonna mix again. This time, you have to be a little slower with the mixing. And you want it to, there we go. It becomes all gooey. Gooey. Okay. And you want to get the bottom of it because there's flour that kind of sticks to the bottom. So you want to press down hard on the bottom and on the sides so there's no white flour stuck. Do you see how it becomes? And there's still, see, I'm mixing and I can still see white flour. You want to mix until you can't see any white flour anymore. So you want to get those sides really good. If you're having trouble, make sure you ask your adult that's with you to check it out to make sure it's mixed really well. So let's see. I think this is mixed pretty well. See what it looks like? Mixed all well. And now for the double chocolate. Ready? Here we go. Put in those chocolate chips and one more good mix so that there's chocolate chips all over when you eat it. Okay. I think it's mixed pretty good. Okay. Now I'm just gonna swipe it down. Okay, so we're ready. Now, this mug goes into the microwave. If you like a gooey brownie, it goes in for 1.5 minutes. If you like a more drier brownie, it goes in for about 2 minutes to 2.5 minutes. I like it gooey, ooey. It's delicious. So I'm gonna put it in for 1.5 minutes. Okay. Put it right in the middle. There we go. So we have to wait for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So while we're waiting, I just want to congratulate each and every one of you for doing such a wonderful job this year at school. I I know this year was a little difficult and challenging at times, but you all never gave up. You all persevered and you kept at it, even if it was hard. And I am so, so proud of you. And you should be so proud of yourselves as well, because you did it. You made it to the end of the school year. I can't believe it. I miss you so much, and I love you so much. And I wish you all the best for your vacation. Have lots of fun, but don't forget, every day, just for 10 minutes, read a book. That will help you so much for when we start school again in August. Okay? Thank you. All right, let's see what's happening in there. Oh my gosh, we're almost there. Almost. We just have about 20 seconds left. If you could smell the chocolate. Oh my gosh, it's so good coming out of there. I cannot wait to see what's inside the cup and to taste it. And the best thing with a brownie is a nice cold glass of milk. Mwah! All right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Let's see. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's nice and gooey. Look at that. Look at that nice and gooey brownie. It is delicious. Are you ready for the taste testing? Oh my gosh. Here we go. It's so hot, I need to blow. Oh my gosh. It's delicious. I can't even talk. I have so much chocolate in my mouth. Oh. All right. Do I have any chocolate in my teeth? My friends, this was our last cooking of this school year. I can't believe we did so many great activities cooking. You learned so much with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Like I told you before, enjoy the cooking that you made with your family and with your friends. Have a great rest of the day and a great summer vacation. I'll see you in August. Besos. Bye.